Yeah, an Alito and a Roberts are the type of jurist, a strict constructionist, not a legislator in a robe. And, you know, we have about 4 of each of those right now on our Supreme Court. And that's the reason that I've called for, in my Overhauling Washington, a term for Supreme Court justices instead of these lifetime appointments. I mean, there's no accountability there. There's no check and balance. And I think if you put a term, now obviously that'd take a constitutional amendment, Governor, but I believe in it so much that that is what we need to do from the standpoint of making sure that we don't have these legislators in robes that we have on that court today. The idea that they're telling us how we can pray, the idea of whether they're telling us that our kids can pray in school, the idea of they're telling us in Texas we can't have the 10 Commandments on our Capitol grounds, I mean, that's pretty offensive to me.
Final thing, you have 2 seconds left. We've all talked about strict constructionist. For the layman out there, just help them understand what exactly that means.
Well, it's right there. Excuse me, I took it out of my paper. That's the Constitution. Read it, exactly what it says. That's what we're talking about. Don't read anything into it. Don't add to it. Don't use these different clauses, whether it's the Commerce Clause or any of the other clauses, to try to change what our founding fathers were telling us.
Thank you very much, Governor.